How to reset advertising ID on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on Security and Privacy. After that, scroll down. Then tap on More Privacy Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Ads. Now in here, tap on Reset Advertising ID. Then from the pop-up, tap on Confirm. And that's it. We have now successfully reset the advertising ID on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.